We close in 2 minutes.
Hey, David from Sunward Hobbies here to give you a lightning quick review of Revell's brand new extra thin cement. Now, I know exactly what you're all thinking. That's cool, but how does it compare to the King Tamiya extra thin cement? Well, that's what we're about to find out. Alright, I've got a crappy Spitfire model here to test these parts on. Now, the very first thing I will note of criticism, if you can consider it that, is that the brush applicator that comes with the Revell is a lot chunkier than the nice precise Tamiya one. Now, I guess that's better for if you're putting together a big piece, but usually most of the time when we're using this, it's for smaller pieces. But yeah, that being said, let's begin. So we're just going to test its basic bonding capabilities. T for Tamiya. And now, let's try out Revell. The smell is quite distinctive from Revell. Not pleasant, but different to Tamiya's. Okay. Okay, next we are going to test its plastic welding capability. When you use extra thin cement and you press it onto the plastic, it pushes out excess plastic, it melts it, which gives it a better bond and helps fill in gaps, which you can easily scrape off and sand smooth once it's dry. As you can see there, there's some excess plastic that is slightly melted, which, as I mentioned, helps with gap filling. So now we're going to see how Revell fares out. It's a little hard to see, but it did do the same thing. It's a little more faint than Tamiya's, but still does the exact same job. Alright, let's give these a few minutes to dry. Okay, good enough. I am being gentle, but these do seem to be on there pretty firmly. Yeah, so Revell extra thin. Took them a while to get with it, but they seem to have made a good product comparable to Tamiya. In conclusion, what's the saying? Imitation is the sincerest form of flattery. Well, that's this pretty much. Basically the same as Tamiya extra thin. Not that that's a detriment to it, it's still a very good product, and I highly recommend it. So thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, follow us on our socials, and until the next one, adios.
We're closed, bro.
But I work here.